thinking it over. The way you make me feel all sexy, but it's causing me shame. I wanna lean on your shoulder. I wish I was allowed, but I don't wanna cause any pain. And if I'm feeling like I'm evil, we got nothing to gain.
I just don't think I can do it again.
It wasn't supposed to hurt you.
What if I never even see you, 'cause we're both on a stage? Don't tell me listen to your song, because it isn't the same. I don't wanna say that love is a waiting game.
I'm scared, man. Nothing makes sense anymore.